daily use English sentences. मुझे इसकी जानकारी नहीं है. I have no information about it. I have no information about it. यह मेरे लिए काम नहीं करेगा. This will not work for me. This will not work for me. मुझे इसकी वजह समझ नहीं आई. I couldn't understand the reason. I couldn't understand the reason. मैं अभी सुनिश्चित नहीं हूँ. I am not sure yet. I am not sure yet. मुझे थोड़ा और समय चाहिए. I need a little more time. I need a little more time. यह मेरे लिए आसान नहीं है. It's not easy for me. It's not easy for me. मैं इसे आज पूरा कर दूंगा. I will finish it today. I will finish it today. मुझे यह बात पसंद नहीं आई. I didn't like this thing. I didn't like this thing. यह मेरे दिमाग में नहीं था. It didn't cross my mind. It didn't cross my mind. मुझे इसका अंदाजा नहीं था. I had no idea about it. I had no idea about it. मैं इस पर बाद में फैसला करूंगी. I will decide on it later. I will decide on it later. यह मेरे बस से बाहर है. It's beyond my capacity. It's beyond my capacity. मैं इस बात से सहमत नहीं हूँ. I don't agree with this point. I don't agree with this point. मुझे यह ठीक नहीं लग रहा. It doesn't feel right to me. It doesn't feel right to me. मैं इसे गंभीरता से ले रहा हूँ. I am taking it seriously. I am taking it seriously. यह बात समझना जरूरी है. It's important to understand this. It's important to understand this. मैं इस पर निर्भर नहीं रह सकता. I can't rely on this. I can't rely on this. मुझे इस पर दोबारा सोचना होगा. I will have to rethink it. I will have to rethink it. यह उम्मीद से बेहतर है. This is better than expected. This is better than expected. मैं इसे नजरअंदाज नहीं कर सकती. I can't ignore this. I can't ignore this. मुझे यह बात साफ करनी होगी. I need to clarify this. I need to clarify this. यह मेरे लिए अप्रत्याशित था. This was unexpected for me. This was unexpected for me. मैं इस स्थिति को समझ रही हूँ. I understand the situation. I understand the situation. यह मेरे लिए नई चुनौती है. This is a new challenge for me. This is a new challenge for me. मैं इससे बेहतर कर सकता हूँ. I can do better than this. I can do better than this. मुझे यह तुरंत चाहिए. I need this immediately. I need this immediately. यह फैसला आसान नहीं था. This decision wasn't easy. This decision wasn't easy. मैं अपनी गलती मानता हूँ. I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. यह मेरे अनुमान से अलग था. यह मेरे अनुमान से अलग है. This is different from what I expected. This is different from what I expected. मैं इस मौके को नहीं छोड़ना चाहती. I don't want to miss this opportunity. I don't want to miss this opportunity. मुझे इसकी पूरी जानकारी चाहिए. I need complete information about it. I need complete information about it. यह बात मेरे लिए मायने रखती है. This matters to me. This matters to me. मैं इस पर गौर करूंगी. I'll look into it. I will look into it. यह मेरे लिए एक सबक है. This is a lesson for me. This is a lesson for me. मैं अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाऊंगी. I will take responsibility. I will take responsibility. मुझे इससे फर्क पड़ा है. This has affected me. This has affected me. मैं इस पर पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ. I completely agree with this. I completely agree with this. यह सोचने का अच्छा तरीका है. That's a good way to think. That's a good way to think. मैं इसे हल्के में नहीं ले रहा हूँ. I am not taking this lightly. I am not taking this lightly. मुझे इसे प्राथमिकता देनी होगी. I will have to prioritize this. I will have to prioritize this. मुझे इस पर शक है. I have doubts about it. I have doubts about it. यह बात मुझे परेशान कर रही है. This is bothering me. This is bothering me. मैं इसे अभी संभाल नहीं सकता. I can't handle it right now. I can't handle it right now. यह मेरे लिए बड़ा फैसला है. This is a big decision for me. This is a big decision for me. मुझे इसका जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer to this. I need an answer to this. यह मेरी अपेक्षा से कठिन है. It's harder than I expected. It's harder than I expected. मैं इसे नजरअंदाज कर बैठा. I overlooked it. I overlooked it. मुझे इस बात की चिंता है. I am worried about this. I am worried about this. मैं अभी इस पर टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकता. I can't comment on this right now. I can't comment on this right now. यह मेरे नियंत्रण से बाहर जा रहा है. It's getting out of my control. It's getting out of my control. मुझे इस पर दोबारा विचार करना चाहिए. I should reconsider this. I should reconsider this. यह मेरे लिए सही समय नहीं है. This isn't the right time for me. This isn't the right time for me. मैं इस स्थिति से निपट लूंगा. I will deal with this situation. I will deal with this situation. मुझे यह बात स्वीकार करनी होगी. I have to accept this. I will have to accept this. यह मेरे अनुमान के विपरीत है. This is contrary to my expectation. This is contrary to my expectation. मैं इसे और टाल नहीं सकता. I can't postpone it anymore. I can't postpone it anymore. मुझे इसका नतीजा दिख रहा है. I can see the result of this. I can see the result of this. यह बात मेरे लिए स्पष्ट हो गई है. This has become clear to me. This has become clear to me. मैं इस पर पूरी तरह ध्यान दूंगा. I will focus on this completely. I will focus on this completely.